Ever found yourself drowning in spreadsheets, struggling to get a clear picture of your business? Like you're trying to build a castle with Lego bricks from 5 different sets, and half of them are missing? You're not alone. And chances are you've heard whispers of this magical solution called NetSuite. But here's the thing, and this is the question we're tackling today. Is NetSuite an application? Is it software? Or is it something else entirely? Before we dive into that, let's paint a picture. Imagine you're running a growing company. You've got sales happening, inventory moving, finances needing to be tracked, customer relationships to manage, and maybe even a website to maintain. Each of these areas is a critical piece of your business puzzle. Now, you could use separate tools for each: a CRM for customers, accounting software for finances, an inventory management system, and so on. But that's where the Lego analogy comes back in. These separate systems often don't talk to each other. Information gets siloed, leading to errors, inefficiencies, and a massive headache. You're constantly switching between screens, manually transferring data, and trying to piece together a coherent picture. This is the problem that NetSuite aims to solve. But understanding how it solves it requires us to understand what it actually is. And that's where the application versus software debate comes in. Now, let's get one thing straight. The terms application and software are often used interchangeably, and in many contexts, that's perfectly fine. But for a solution as comprehensive as NetSuite, we need to be a little more precise. Think of software as the general term. It's the umbrella that covers everything from the operating system on your computer to the games you play on your phone. It's the set of instructions that tells a computer what to do. An application, on the other hand, is a specific type of software designed to perform a particular task or set of tasks for the user. Think of a word processor, a web browser, or a mobile app. These are all applications. So where does NetSuite fit in? Well, it's definitely software. It's a collection of programs and code designed to manage various business processes. But it's not just a single application. It's a suite of applications. And that's the crucial point. Suite is the keyword here. NetSuite is an enterprise resource planning, ERP suite. This means it's a comprehensive system that integrates multiple business functions into a single platform. Think of it as a modular building, where each module represents a different business function. You've got modules for financials, CRM, inventory management, e-commerce, HR, and more. These modules are all interconnected, sharing data and providing a unified view of your business. Now, here's where it gets interesting. NetSuite is also a cloud-based ERP. This means it's delivered as a service over the internet, rather than being installed on your own servers. This is a significant departure from traditional on-premise software. Instead of buying and maintaining your own hardware and software, you subscribe to NetSuite and access it through a web browser. This cloud-based delivery model has several advantages. First, it eliminates the need for large upfront investments in hardware and software. Second, it simplifies maintenance and upgrades, as NetSuite handles these tasks for you. Third, it provides greater flexibility and scalability, allowing you to easily add or remove modules as your business needs change. And fourth, it allows for access to data from anywhere with an internet connection. So to answer our initial question, NetSuite is a software suite, specifically a cloud-based ERP suite. It's a collection of integrated applications designed to manage various business functions. It's not just a single application, but a comprehensive platform that provides a unified view of your business. But what does this mean in practical terms? Let's break down some of the key modules within NetSuite and see how they work together. Financial management. This module provides tools for managing your accounting, budgeting, and financial reporting. It automates tasks like invoicing, expense tracking, and financial consolidation. Customer relationship management, CRM. This module helps you manage your customer interactions, track sales leads, and improve customer service. It provides a 360-degree view of your customers, allowing you to personalize your interactions and build stronger relationships. Inventory management. This module helps you track your inventory levels, manage your supply chain, and optimize your warehouse operations. It provides real-time visibility into your inventory, allowing you to avoid stockouts and reduce carrying costs. E-commerce. This module allows you to build and manage your online store, integrate with marketplaces, and process online orders. It provides a seamless shopping experience for your customers and helps you grow your online sales. Human Capital Management, HCM. This module helps you manage your employee data, payroll, and benefits. It streamlines HR processes and improves employee engagement. These are just a few examples of the many modules available in NetSuite. The specific modules you need will depend on the needs of your business. But the key takeaway is that these modules are all integrated, sharing data and providing a unified view of your business. Now, let's talk about the benefits of using a cloud-based ERP suite like NetSuite. Improved efficiency. By automating tasks and integrating data, NetSuite helps you streamline your business processes and improve efficiency. Increased visibility. By providing a unified view of your business, NetSuite gives you greater visibility into your operations and allows you to make better-informed decisions. Reduced costs. By eliminating the need for separate systems and reducing manual data entry, NetSuite helps you reduce costs and improve profitability. Enhanced collaboration. By providing a central platform for sharing information, NetSuite facilitates collaboration between departments and improves communication. Scalability. As a cloud-based solution, NetSuite can easily scale to meet the needs of your growing business. But like any software solution, NetSuite has potential drawbacks. The initial implementation can be complex and time-consuming. It requires careful planning and configuration to ensure that the system meets your specific needs. The cost of NetSuite can also be a factor, especially for smaller businesses. While the cloud-based model eliminates the need for upfront hardware and software investments, the subscription fees can add up over time. And finally, reliance on an internet connection is essential. If your internet is down, you're down. So, who is NetSuite for? It's primarily designed for mid-sized and large businesses that need a comprehensive ERP solution. However, it can also be a good fit for smaller businesses that are experiencing rapid growth or have complex business processes. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.